Aditya and you are watching Germanclass. In today's video, I will talk about different methods, different ways where you can learn German language in India or abroad. First of all, I would like to tell you that you must have a dedication, you must have an interest of learning German. If you are interested, if you have a passion, if you have a desire of learning a new language, then definitely nobody can stop you from doing this. You must have a passion for learning. You can learn online or offline. There are so many ways. There are so many coaching institutes. There are so many institutions where you can go and learn German. First thing, if you have sufficient time, I would suggest spend a lot of time on learning. Whether it's an online process or offline process, it's your choice, your time and your money. I always say it's your decision. We are here to help you out. If you see online medium, there are a lot of online institutions. There are institutions that provide online training. There are YouTube videos available. There are short movies. There are short films. But the question is, you are a beginner. You don't know anything, where to start. In this case, you can watch our videos. There are playlists for beginners. There are more than 1000 videos available on my channel. You can watch these videos, basic videos, so that you get an idea what is the German language all about and how can you start with that. How can you start from the scratch just on your own. There are certain videos for A1 level students, those who have some prior knowledge. If you have some prior knowledge, you have learned German just 2 years ago or 3 years ago or in the school or in the university, and now you would like to continue. So these videos are very helpful. But if you have done German till B1 or B2 level, you want to brush up your language skills, then must watch these videos, must read German online newspapers. There are so many websites that offer good reading text in German. There are so many vocab practice papers. There are so many assignments and worksheets available. Go and watch these assignments. Just type on Google German exercises, German worksheets, whatever topic you want, and you will find plenty of study material. And now it's your time to do practice. You can definitely learn German at home with your pace, with your time. So just you must have passion and you must know what to learn, whether basic German or advanced German. If you need any help, you can watch our videos. You can drop us an email, we'll definitely help you out. There are some methods like Deutsche Welle news channel, dw.com. Just type on Google and find so many reading text in German. There are plenty of grammar practice sets. Do that. So many books are available. I have mentioned the links in the description. Just go and place an order. You can practice at home. On YouTube channel, there are various videos available on different topics by different German trainers. So many trainers are available nowadays online. They teach you on their channel. Just go to their channel, watch the videos carefully, make your notes, and you can easily learn German. Talk about Delhi University, Jawaharlal Nehru University are offering German language programs. Full-time program, part-time programs. So it's my suggestion, it's my personal advice. Now decision is your, what do you want? Thanks for watching. Bye bye. Take care.